Hi, this is Val from MemoirHelper.com. This short tutorial will cover the initial setup of topics and questions in your MemoirHelper.com project. So from the home page of your project, you'll want to click on Topics and Questions. The first time you get to this page, you'll have the opportunity to select some, all, or none of the pre-installed topics and questions in MemoirHelper.com. If you know that you want to do this without any of our questions and topics, go ahead and click on Hide All Topics. You'll get this pop-up box that says, do you really want to hide all the topics and questions? And you can click OK, and you'll be on your way. For most of you, I would suggest, though, that you start by hitting Select All, and that puts a checkbox in each topic that we have pre-installed. And then I would go down the list and look through anything that doesn't fit your story or that you don't think you'll have any interest at all in writing about. So I might choose uncheck military service since I did not serve in the military. If you don't have grandchildren, you might uncheck grandchildren. Or if you know that your memoir is going to be a very narrow topic, just choose anything that applies to your life. So you can uncheck anything that you know you don't want to write about in your memoir. If you're not sure, go ahead and leave them checked. You can also check within any topic and look at the View Select Questions, and you'll see a list of each memory prompt that we have included. And you can choose to select some, all, or none of the questions related to any topic. Once you've gone through this, go back up to the top or all the way to the bottom. You'll find a Use Selected Topics Questions button. Click on that, and then it says, do you really want to use the selected topics and questions? Click OK. And now you'll get into the topics page of your project. So you'll see the topics, the active topics listed here. And if you go down to the bottom of this page, you'll see topics you have hidden. If I click on that, I now can see the list of topics I chose not to include. If I decide to restore any of these topics, I just hit the green check mark here, and it'll go back up into the list. Now if I go into any of the topics, I can see the questions listed. If I've hidden any questions down at the bottom, those will be under Hidden Questions. You can also restore questions at any point in time. All right, that's your initial setup. I hope that helps.